Okay, sometimes I get the phone call that says, I have hair loss and I'm looking to wear non-surgical hair replacement. How much does that cost? And when I say, I don't know, I'd have to see your hair or you'd have to come in for the consultation, they automatically think I'm trying to scam them. But that's not the case. Non-surgical hair replacement is 100% custom hair. It's not traditional in any way. So I would literally have to see your hair. There are certain things that's always going to affect pricing. The type of hairpiece. How long is it? What type of hair is on it? How big is the hairpiece? All of these things are all going to come into play when determining pricing for the hairpiece. And of course, there are levels in a hairpiece, right? You can get a very affordable hair system, right? But you can get a very high-end hair system. There are so many different levels when it comes to alternative hair, non-surgical hair replacement. So yes, indeed, I have to see your hair. What if you call me and you say, I would like to know how much non-surgical hair replacement is, and you want a pixie? Or what if somebody else calls me and say, I want to know how much non-surgical hair replacement is, and they want a 24-inch European wig or something like that? Of course, there would be a huge price difference in those types of services. So I would have to see your hair. I would have to see the type of system that we need. I would have to see your type of hair. And I can't do that without you coming in for a consultation. We used to do digital consultations where you sent your pictures in and things like that. But I would have to see your hair. I would have to see your hair and find out what your goal is in order to determine accurate pricing. It's not scary. It's not scary. People are afraid to come in for a consultation. It's not like a car dealership. I don't rub my hands together like Birdman and try to convince you to get you to make a decision. Nope, I don't even let you make the decision that day. We go over everything. I tell you my recommendations. I send you an estimate via email. You go over the estimate. After that, you reach back out to me if you have any questions or you let me know what you want to do. It's not scary. It's comfortable here. It is nothing to be afraid of with having a consultation. A consultation at a minimum will let you know your options, at least. So just do that before you decide it's too expensive or you're afraid to come in, and also it's very private. This is a hair loss practice. All of our consultations are private. You don't have to worry about anybody looking at your hair. It is very private. I try to make you comfortable. So consultations are not scary. If you want to have accurate pricing, you need one.